Hi guys, welcome to the video. Quick maths, let's try it again. And today I want to actually speak about infinite geometric series, right? So in an infinite geometric series we have something called a converging infinite geometric series or a diverging infinite geometric series. My definition of a diverging series is a series that keeps on getting bigger and bigger or smaller and smaller, and it is just not possible to calculate where it can actually end. You won't be seeing these in your exam. Diverging infinite series. No, you won't be seeing them simply because there's no value that you can find. It's infinity. It goes up until infinity. This one, I mean, 2 4 8 16 32 128 512, it goes up, it goes up. So you wouldn't want to try to calculate that. There's no answer. But on the other side, let us talk about converging infinite series. Now, before you say a series is converging or something like that, you have to remember this. It has to have the value of r being greater than -1 but also being less than +1. All right, so now that we know about the condition for a converging series, I have made an example of what a converging series looks like. Right now, this series, like I told you, it grows because the terms are being added together, but the more it grows, the less of a difference it has. Let us convert these into decimal. I want to show you something. Believe me guys, after this you will be understanding what is a converging. Forget about diverging. I'm kidding, but yeah, you won't be asked about it anyway. So I've converted these into decimals, and let me read out for you if you cannot see clearly. It's 0,333 plus 0,111 plus 0,0370 plus 0,0123 plus 0,004152, blah blah blah. It goes on. Let me tell you what is going on here. The numbers after the comma are getting lesser and lesser to the point where it is now going to be like they make no difference. Just like I told you. I mean, look at it. It started from 0.333, that is 1 over 3, right? And 1 over 9 became 0,011. Do you see that it's getting lesser and lesser and lesser and lesser? And 1 over 27 became 0, now there's a 0 before a number. You see that? That is, it's getting lesser. It's not growing, believe me. And it became 0.0123. okay, fine, that is this number. And if you look at 1 over 243, it became 0.004152. At some point it is going to be something like 0.000000. Now in real life, if you think about it, does this make any difference to any number? No, it doesn't make any difference. So that's why for this one we can actually conclude by saying the sum to infinity is going to be 0. So that is actually the difference between converging and diverging. In converging, r must be between -1 and +1. And also for this one, converging, we can actually find the sum to infinity, but for a diverging we cannot find the sum to infinity because the number grows and it grows and it grows and it grows and it grows. I hope we grow like that in this channel. All right, thank you guys for watching. This was actually not an easy video to shoot because I don't know, I just find it hard to explain these, or at least explain these in a way that you would actually understand. So if you actually found it informative, or if you liked this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Do not forget to also watch the next video, because I know it's funny, it sounds corny too, because it's a series, it continues.